Product description: Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Instant Film Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 is a stylish instant film camera that combines modern features with the charm of instant photography. It automatically detects surrounding brightness to optimize photo quality. Key features include double exposure mode for artistic shots, bulb mode for long exposures, macro mode for close-ups, and kids mode for fast-moving subjects. It uses Instax Mini film, 86mm by 54mm, and produces 62mm by 46mm pictures, providing instant gratification with tangible prints. Advantages: instant printouts. With a simple click of the shutter, you get tangible prints right on the spot. This immediacy allows you to hold physical copies of your memories. Creative options: the camera offers creative shooting modes like double exposure. This mode allows you to superimpose two images on one film sheet, enabling artistic and imaginative compositions. Macro mode: the macro mode is a handy feature that allows you to take close-up shots with exceptional detail. It's perfect for capturing intricate textures, small objects, or nature's beauty up close. Kids mode: the camera's kids mode comes with a fast shutter speed, making it ideal for photographing fast-moving subjects like children, pets, and other active scenes. Nostalgic appeal: the Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 embraces the charm of vintage instant film cameras. The physical prints with their unique colors and character evoke a sense of nostalgia. User-friendly: the camera's intuitive controls make it accessible to photographers of all levels, from beginners to more experienced users. Portable: the Instax Mini 90's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around during travels, parties, or any event where you want to capture and share memories instantly. Disadvantages: film costs. One of the main drawbacks of using instant film cameras is the ongoing cost of film packs. Compared to digital photography or traditional film rolls, instant film packs can be relatively expensive, which might limit the number of shots taken. Limited editing: instant film photography offers no room for editing or retouching. The result you get is the result you have, which may not always be perfect. Image quality: while instant film photography has its nostalgic charm, it may not match the sharpness and image quality achieved by modern digital cameras. Reliance on ambient light: low light conditions may still pose challenges and affect the overall photo quality. Overall, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Instant Film Camera offers a delightful and creative instant photography experience, perfect for capturing unique moments and sharing tangible prints with friends and family. You can find the product link in the description for more details.